In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar as a to-do list with some useful tips and tricks that can really enhance your productivity. Google Calendar isn't just a tool for scheduling meetings or appointments. You can use it to efficiently manage and organize your daily tasks too. Let's explore a simple, step-by-step guide to maximize this capability. First, let's talk about Google Tasks, a built-in feature of Google Calendar that acts like a to-do list. To begin, whether you're on your desktop or mobile, look to the right-hand side panel of your calendar. You'll find a checkmark icon labeled Tasks. By clicking on this, you can create a new task. Simply give it a title, add a date and time, and voila, it appears on your calendar just like an event, but with a checkmark icon. Once you complete a task, you can check it off, and it will disappear from your schedule, keeping your calendar neat and organized. This is an excellent way to manage your daily tasks, especially since it syncs seamlessly across Gmail, Google Calendar, and the Google Tasks app. Next, if you're someone who likes to view their tasks alongside appointments without the pressure of specific timing, you might like creating all-day task blocks. Try adding a new all-day event and title it with your task, like write blog post. You can even color code it differently from your regular events for better visual separation. Once the task is complete, you can delete it or mark it as done, helping you maintain focus on what's yet to be tackled. Now, if you thrive on structure, time blocking is a game changer. You can add tasks as events with specific durations. For example, schedule 10 a.m. 12 p.m. Work on client report as an event. Use different colors for different types of tasks, like deep work, meetings, and personal errands, and treat these time slots as if they were actual appointments. This method is especially beneficial for productivity enthusiasts looking to add some structure to their day. We'll also look into recurring tasks for building habits. Add a repeating event for your daily or weekly routines, such as a morning workout or reviewing finances every Friday. Treat these repeating events like tasks, not just reminders, and over time, this approach can transform your calendar into a habit tracker, gently nudging you towards consistency. Finally, by combining tasks with events, you maintain an uncluttered yet structured calendar. Use tasks for your to-dos and time-specific commitments for events. For instance, you might have a task for draft proposal and an event for a 2 p.m. meeting with Alex. This differentiation ensures clarity in your schedule while keeping everything well organized. By following these tips, you'll find that Google Calendar becomes an invaluable ally in your daily life, blending tasks seamlessly with your schedule in a way that promotes efficiency and minimizes chaos. So dive in, try out these methods, and see how they transform your productivity.